A tree with significant ecological importance. What tree is it? Introducing Malabuho, Stercolia oblongata of the family Stercoliaceae. Stercolia oblongata derives its name from Latin roots. Stercolia comes from the Latin word stercus, meaning dung, referring to the tree's association with the dung of animals, as its seeds resemble animal droppings. The species name oblongata is derived from the Latin word oblongos, meaning elongated or oval, describing the shape of its leaves or fruits. This nomenclature reflects both the physical characteristics of the plant and its ecological context. Malabuho is a large tree that produces small to large matrices. It is widely distributed in the Philippines but is considered nowhere abundant. The tree is generally harvested from the wild for local use of its wood, fiber, and edible seeds. Fibers obtained from the bark of Malabuho are used to make roofs, elegant hats, handbags, placemats, and wallets. Its wood is suitable for light cabinet work and construction, particularly for sides, ceilings, and partitions. It also makes matchsticks, pulp, and paper. The ecological importance of Malabuho is significant. It serves as a habitat for various wildlife, providing food and shelter for birds, insects, and other fauna. The tree's flowers attract pollinators, further contributing to the surrounding ecosystem. Once consumed by animals, the fruits aid in seed dispersal, facilitating new saplings growth and supporting biodiversity in their native habitats. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.